Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share with you some ways you can make money online using YouTube. As you may already know, YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform, with billions of users from around the globe. And with its popularity, it has become an excellent platform for anyone looking to make money online. Ad revenue, sponsorship and affiliate marketing, merchandising, crowdfunding. Let's start with ad revenue. If you have a YouTube channel and it meets YouTube's partner program requirements, you can monetize your videos by displaying ads. YouTube will pay you a portion of the ad revenue that they receive from advertisers. To qualify for the program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're approved, you can start earning money through ad revenue. Reach out to companies you like. Look for sponsorship platforms. Utilize affiliate marketing. Next up is sponsorship and affiliate marketing. If you have a significant number of subscribers and a niche audience, you can reach out to companies and ask them to sponsor your videos. You can also sign up for sponsorship platforms where you can find companies looking for influencers to promote their products. Additionally, you can use affiliate marketing by including affiliate links in your video descriptions. When your viewers click on those links and make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Create custom merchandise. Use third-party services. Merchandising is another great way to make money on YouTube. You can create custom merchandise that your viewers can purchase, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs. You can design these products yourself, or you can use third-party services that will print and ship your products for you. This way, you can focus on creating content while the service handles the rest. Use Patreon or other crowdfunding platforms. Offer exclusive content to supporters. Lastly, you can use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon to generate revenue. You can offer exclusive content to your supporters, such as behind-the-scenes footage, Q&A sessions, or early access to videos. This is a great way to build a community around your channel while also making money. So there you have it, 4 ways to make money on YouTube. Whether you choose to monetize your videos through ad revenue, use sponsorship and affiliate marketing, create custom merchandise, or utilize crowdfunding platforms, the key is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. With hard work and dedication, anyone can turn their YouTube channel into a successful online business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.